Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I'll show you how to make one of these really nice cafe au lait decaf toffees. These are actually brand new in the UK, and it's just a one pod system on this one. So let's get to it. So let's switch it on and press the other button, which gets it to heat up, which is usually about 40 seconds, which I think is quite good. And I've actually been waiting for this all day, like really. And it's 6 bars on this one. So let's get it in. Just pop that in there. That goes back in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. I'm using one of my barista mugs for today's video. I've also got my standard mugs up there. So let's get this brewed. I mean, just look at that rich smell right there. And there's an automatic one as well, so that I do not have to flip it off. As you can see, did it by itself. There you go.